video, we'll be testing the only strategy that you will ever need created by Tradingveiw. I'll be testing this 100 times with an account size set of $1,000, risking 1% of the account. Now for our testing, we'll be using the price of GBP USD on the 15-minute time frame. So for this strategy, we're only going to be needing one indicator, so let's go ahead and add it to the chart. And for this, we're going to need the DIY custom strategy builder. Now once it's loaded, it's going to look like this, so we need to access its settings to make some adjustments. Head on over to inputs, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to uncheck the show dashboards, and in the main indicator section, make sure that the leading indicator is set at range filter. Then we need to scroll down to the range filter section to make some adjustments. And as we can see here, underneath range filter, we need to change the period from 100s to 50. And then we need to go to the confirmation indicator section, as we need to check EMA filter and also change the length from 200 to 50. Now let's make some adjustments to this. So we need to go down to the MA line section, which is here, and we're going to uncheck all the boxes apart from the MA4 50. Then just make sure we got the correct selections underneath switchboard, and we need to uncheck everything apart from the range filter and the EMA. Okay, so now we're set up, and essentially this strategy is made out of two components. The first one being the blue moving average, which is going to help us identify the long-term trend direction. And the second one is the range filter that helps analyze short-term trends by having a green line for when we're looking for longs, and also having a red line when we're looking for shorts. Now in addition to this, it will also be giving us our entry signals by printing short and long labels highlighted in green and red. So let's go over the exact entry criteria. So when looking to take long positions, this is your entry criteria, and it's super simple to follow. First, we need to make sure that we're above the moving average, which is the blue line that we're seeing on the chart, since this signifies that we're in a bullish structural market. Now secondly, we need to make sure the range filters line is colored in green, signifying short-term bullish continuation, which is confirming our trend direction. Now lastly, we're going to be waiting for our entry signal, which is a long label to be printed on the screen below price action. And once you have all these confirmations in place, we're going to take the instant execution, and the stop loss will be at the moving average, which is our blue line on this screen here, and our targets will be at a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so also for your trade management, we're going to be letting the trade run to either stop loss or take profit, and essentially this is a breakout continuation strategy because we're looking to trade the momentum. So let's go ahead and take a look at another long example. So as we can see here, price is trading above our blue moving average, which is telling us we're in a bullish structural market. Now secondly, the range filter is also colored in green, signifying short-term bullish continuation. So then we've waited for our entry signal, which is our green long label. Now once all these confirmations have been met, we're going to take the instant execution, stop loss at the blue moving average, with a target set at 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so that was beautiful. We've hit the take profit. Now it's going to take a look at the short criteria. So these are your rules when looking to take short continuation trades. First, we need to make sure that price action is trading below the blue moving average, signifying to us we're in a sell structural market. Now, in addition to this, the range filter also needs to be highlighted in red, which is letting us know we're in a short-term bearish trend. So then we've waited for our entry signal, which is the red sell label printed above price action. And once all these confirmations have been met, we take the instant execution, stop loss just above the blue moving average, with your targets being at a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so let's go and take a look at another short example. Okay, so as we can see here, price is trading below the moving average, signifying to us we're in a sell structural market. Now in addition to this, the range filter is also highlighted in red. If we zoom in, we can see it clearly. So then we've had to wait for our entry signal, which is a red sell label, to be printed. And once all these confirmations have been met, we take the instant execution, stop loss just above the blue moving average, and your target's at a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so now I'm going to back test this 100 times and come back to you with the results. Okay, so in 11 weeks, I took 100 trades, 44 won and 56 lost, which means we had a win rate of 44%, a max drawdown of 5%, and a max gain of 7.5%. So both them statistics were positive, with our net profit being 10% in 11 weeks, which would equate to $100 made in that time. Now, to me, this strategy checks out in all criterias, and it can definitely be improved with an additional filter added to this or incorporating price action. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Are you going to try and improve this strategy, or are you going to trade it as it is? I'm going to leave another video on the screen right now that I'm sure you enjoy. Thank you for watching.